What's good, Mozillas? I like to give you guys an honest review on the RSR Superdowns springs. But before we get into the video, for those of you that are new, my name is Zilla. What's up? I post car related content and also Grom related content. So if you're new, consider subscribing. And make sure to lightly destroy that like button. It shows appreciation and makes me want to post more content for you guys. Oh, sneak peek to a future video. If you know what wheels those are, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into it. I wanted to give you a honest review on the RSR Superdowns for the redsport. The part number is the N144S. Overall, I would say that the ride quality is pretty good. I was expecting it to be a little more bouncy, and it's not. I will say that the car feels a lot more planted and it's easier to throw around. With that being said, the drop itself reduces the travel on the shock. So since there's no travel within the shock, any bump is exaggerated. So that is the downfall. It makes me lean towards getting coilovers. Now, if you live on places where there's like really good roads, like my area is actually pretty good, so I don't really mind it. But if you live like in New York or, you know, place where there's salt and all different kind of seasons, those roads are gonna be tore up. I would suggest you not to get RSR Superdowns, maybe just downs, but the downs don't really drop it down. At least to my preference, it's not right. So if you do drive in Sport Plus, where the suspension is tighter, you don't feel those bumps as much. If you want to go for Superdowns and you live in you know, a place where there's like kind of bad roads, I would suggest you ride around in Sport Plus, and you should be fine for the most part. Springs do pretty much lower the life expectancy of your shocks, so that's something to take into consideration if you want to go with springs. I've put springs on all my cars, and I've never actually stayed with the car long enough to actually replace the shocks. And I've put like 60,000-70,000 miles on shocks with lowering springs. Now, do I recommend getting the RSR Superdowns for your Q50 or redsport or whatever Q50 you have? Yeah, if you like a lowered look and don't really want to sacrifice much ride quality, then RSR Superdowns are the way to go. If you live in a place where there's bad roads, I don't know, man. I wouldn't get it unless you could just, you know, ride around in Sport Plus. But I don't know how long your shock would actually sustain being in Sport Plus for such a long time through those harsh roads. I'd like to know real quick, are you guys running suspension springs, or are you guys on coilovers, or maybe bags, or maybe you're thinking about getting the system? Let me know what you guys are running as a suspension setup down in the comment section. Well guys, that was my honest review. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for me, man, please. Oh, I actually got a surprise. Oh, that's gonna look so hard on this car, man. So if you want to see how that looks, make sure to stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.